Hey everybody, this is Brian back with an Algo update. Hope you're having a fantastic day wherever you are, and the markets are a little green today. We're up 2.01% as I'm making this video. This is Algo on the daily. I have a article here I'd like to read you real quick. This was from Tuesday, but Algorand receives a very bullish rating Tuesday. Is it time to get on board? This is from Investors Observer. So pretty it says Algorand has a very bullish sentiment reading. Find out what this means for you and get the rest of the rankings on Algorand. Very bullish. Over the last 5 days, Algorand has earned a very bullish rating on the Investors Observer Sentiment Score. The Sentiment Score measures the performance of Algorand over the past 5 days by volume and price movement. The Sentiment Score provides a quick short-term look at the crypto's recent performance. This can be useful for both short-term investors looking to ride a rally and longer-term investors trying to buy the dip. So it just goes through a couple other things, the price levels and stuff, but that's good to see. I believe crypto's turned a corner here. You know, with Bitcoin getting the golden cross, a lot of cryptos got the golden cross here of lately, and things are definitely looking on the up, I believe. Until things point otherwise, you got to follow what's going on with everything. If everything's pointing up, then it's probably heading up. Of course it can fool you too. That's how. Everybody would be rich if that was the case, I guess. But the market cap is up 0.57%, volume's up 10.6%, Bitcoin dominance is up 0.54%. And the market sentiment, believe it or not, we're back into greed. So I said yesterday, I don't know how this thing works. Jeez, you get a couple of days green and it goes in greed. You get one day red and it goes in fear. I don't know. Of course, I've seen it the whole way up to close to 100 before in the bull market. So I like to keep an eye on it every day. The biggest gainers and losers are here. You can see the graph is the biggest gainer of the day. The biggest loser is Kava. And over there we got a meme coin up 400%. Shibone Inu. Look at that price. Geez, I don't even know what that is. 1/1000th of a penny or something. I don't know. But it did a 4x. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. We'd love to have you here. A bunch of great people in this group. And doing a little giveaway at the end of the month, 100 ADA tokens. That's Cardano. So just to thank you, I couldn't ask for a better bunch of people to have with me on this journey. So thank you so much, everybody. And let's take a look at Algorand here. I've had this downtrend forming here on the daily for a while. I truly believe we've hit a bottom here. Algorand's one of the few coins that have not performed this golden cross, and I believe it's with all the Algorand ALGO wallet thing that we went through there. It's just put a beating on this coin a little bit, but things are looking up. Let's zoom in here a little bit. Let's put this on the 4-hour. Like that article said, we had this sloping resistance for so long, and we finally broke out of this thing. And I went over this yesterday. This definitely looks like a 5-wave Elliott move up here to me for sure. You can see the 5 smaller waves inside here. They 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can see them right in there. Then we had an ABC correction on top there. The ABC looks a little bit better on the hourly. You can see it a little bit better right there. ABC. I'm hoping this ain't a 5-wave down here either. It could be, but it looks like this thing is over. We won't know until we get a move up here and take out this wave right there. But this could be a 5-wave down too. This thing could come down a little bit further, maybe to there. Got pretty good support there. That could be. You can never tell what these markets are doing 100% until they do it. So we got a trend line forming here though again. So if you're keeping your charts, keep an eye on that. If we break this trend line, that's a break of trend. So you want to keep an eye on them. A lot of people don't like trend lines. I love them. I think it's the most obvious thing to use. How can you tell if you have a, you've seen this one over here we've used for a while now. How can you tell you have a breakout if you don't use a trend line or break down? So I love the things. I think they're great to use. But like I said yesterday, I believe this is a, just nothing but one big one wave here. I believe we're definitely going to take out that price target we put up there. I thought we would have took it out within the first couple days. Most of the price targets I put up on the other coins, I'm not bragging at all. This is not financial advice. I have no financial license. Please do your own research. But most of them price targets I put up were, I think, 8 out of 10 coins hit them within the first couple days. So yeah, we just got to get some momentum here going on Algorand. We need some buyers to come in, and Bitcoin is just looking beautiful. So that's what brings the buyers in the market. Here's Bitcoin. That's on the hourly. Let's put it on the daily. That golden cross. I mean, that thing, that hasn't happened for Bitcoin since the last bull run, and it's staying above the 50-day moving average. We set that higher high. We took out this high, which you want to have in an uptrend. Personally, I think Bitcoin's heading to the high 28s, possibly 29. There's no resistance here. I mean, it's just wide open air for this thing to head up. So we'll keep an eye on that. It's up almost $400 for the day so far, 1.63%. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do. I'd love to have you here, everybody, and we'll keep an eye on these price charts, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching.